Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool number line. We are working with number pairs with a problem related to TEKS 5.4d, and we will solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've got a pattern here, input and output, and we need to figure out whether it is additive or multiplicative, and our answer is going to be a description here. So let's call our input values x and our output values y. And so I'm just going to put them on two different number lines. We're going to call this a double number line because they're going to be two number lines that are parallel to each other. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the four different pairs. So the x, or the input, goes from 5 to 4 to 3 to 2. And then the y goes down as well, but it goes from 70 to 56, 42, 28. Now there's many different ways that we can try to figure out whether or not this is additive or multiplicative. We can guess and check. But one way that we can do is we can look at the relationships between the x's, or the inputs, and the y's, or the outputs. So look what's happening to get from 5 to 4. We're subtracting 1. We're subtracting 1. We're subtracting 1. All right, so it looks like it's a pretty consistent. The inputs are going down 1 each time, and the outputs are going down, but they're not going down by 1. We are going down by, that is going to be a minus 14, and that's going to be a minus 14, and that is also a minus 14. So take a look at this. Every time we go down 1 on the x, we go down 14 on the y, or the output. And we do have a consistent change here. Minus 14y to minus 1 x all the way across. And so when these are equal, if they were both minus 1 or both minus 14, that would be an additive. But since this is unequal, 1 is 14, 1 is 1, means we are dealing with unit rate. That means we're dealing with multiplication. So what can we do to figure out how we're going to get from 70 to 56 to 42 to 28? Well, we can look at this 14 and the 1, and we actually have that right there, minus 14 over minus 1, okay? And so what we're going to learn a little bit later in middle school is that when you have two negatives, they actually cancel each other out, make a positive. So that really is the same as 14 over 1, or that's 14. So depending on where you start, if you start, we always start at the x because that's our independent value. If you go from 5 up to 70, you're going to multiply by 14. Or if you were, for some reason, to start at the 56 and go down to the 4, you would divide by 14 because those two are inverse operations. So we have a multiply by 14. That is our pattern. And we see that in our 14 over 1. And we know it's multiplicative because it's an uneven. The x's are changing by 1s, the y's are changing by 14. All right, so let's take a look at how we can now transfer that. If we were to think in fourth grade terms, we would say rule is going to be multiply by 14. How can we turn this into our sentence? Well, we've got three different drop downs. If this were a star test, we would have three different drop downs. This would be an inline choice, right? They would like fill in the blank. All right, the pattern is additive or multiplicative. Okay, so we've already decided it's unequal. So that means going to be a multiplicative unit rate. So we're going to choose multiplicative right there because the output value, that's our y, is the blank, the sum, the product, or the difference. Well, we know it's a rate, which means it's multiplication. So which of those three terms deals with multiplication? Sum means the answer to an addition problem. Product means the answer to a multiplication problem. Difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. So our answer here is product of blank and the input value. Well, basically, input value times what? Well, what was our rule? Our rule was times 14. So we are going to say the output value is the product of 14 and the input value.